So, the most rewarding thing in my job, I would say, is seeing someone with their functional independence. When any patient comes to me and then they say that they are pain free and they are able to enjoy their activities in a better way. So, that gives me immense happiness and a total satisfaction that through my work, I am able to achieve some positive change in their lives. So, that's a total satisfaction for me.
So one of the toughest part as a physio is to keep your patients motivated and consistent. So when they start the treatment, they're full of energy and, full on, like we can do the exercise. And once we progress, once they start feeling better, they stop doing that with consistency. So that's the toughest part, where you have to keep them motivated and let them know, what's the benefit of it. The other challenge which I find is the expectation what the patient has towards the treatment and, the goal expectation basically, because sometimes when you have a long-term injury or a chronic injury, it takes time for the recovery. So when we have a clear communication with the patient, it becomes a good way of treatment as well. So overall, it's not just about the treatment, it's about supporting patient, guiding patient towards the full recovery.
I believe physiotherapy is constantly evolving, so staying updated is essential for delivering the best care. I regularly attend workshops, seminars, and certified training programs to learn advanced techniques. I also stay connected with the latest research through journals and professional networks. At the clinic, we actively discuss case studies as a team, which help us to learn from each other's experiences. The combination of continuous learning and practical application ensures that our patients receive evidence-based and up-to-date practices.
Personalized treatment plans are based on thorough assessment when the patient comes to me the first day, and then we set some realistic goals for the patient and me as a therapist. And then we start working towards those goals, and that also involves continuous monitoring process and the patient feedback that ensures me that the treatment plan that I'm setting for my patient works for them really well. And one more thing here is that proper education regarding any condition or injury plays a very important role in making any treatment plan success.
So one of the most common mistake that the patient do during the rehab is not to be consistent with the exercises which are being provided. As they feel better, so the consistency reduces, which can actually delay the healing process. The other mistake which we do is doing something way too soon. So for them, it is like, if you do too much, like quickly, and also the pain will get better, but actually it worsens the condition. And again, the healing for us goes slow. Some of the patients also, I've noticed that, they are afraid of doing certain movements because that causes them pain, which actually increases the stiffness and the weakness, which can again delay the progress of this, treatment. So basically, a rehab is a complete program where you need to be consistent, follow the treatment plan, and be more open in communication with the physio so that we can plan the treatment plans accordingly.
Motivation is a key part of recovery. I focus on setting clear, realistic goals to the patient so that they can see their progress step by step. I also make sure to educate them about their condition, because when patients understand why they are doing something, they become more committed. We celebrate small improvements, whether it's reduced pain or better movement, which keeps them encouraged. Most importantly, I build a strong connection with my patients so that they feel supported throughout their treatment program.
If you are having pain or any injury, so don't wait for it to get worse. Physiotherapy can help in most of the conditions, whether it's a recent injury or a chronic one. So I would suggest just take the first step and consult a physiotherapist. Good news is that you don't need a doctor's referral to see a physiotherapist. You just need to walk in to any physiotherapy clinic, and we are here to help you.
A small message from Haney Physiotherapy Clinic for all the people who are in pain. Your body will heal. It might be a little slow, but give it some time. Do your exercise regularly and consistently, even if the progress is slow. A little bit of discomfort is okay, but if you feel any kind of strong or sharp pain, then listen to your body and stop. Small steps are towards the recovery. Stay positive, stay energetic, and we are there to help you.
My message to anyone living with pain and injury is don't ignore it. Don't lose your hope. Pain is your body's way of telling you that something really needs attention. And with the right guidance, most conditions can be improved significantly. Stay patient with the process and trust your therapist. And stay consistent with your exercises. Recovery takes time, but with the right approach and mindset, you can get back to doing what you love. Here at Henny, we are always here to help you, and I hope we never get to see you for with your pains. But if you experience something, we are there to help.